watch you want to. You want to watch you. An exhibition me come, and that me come. Me a Jack Scorpio fi play, me a don't play it. Mash up the place, claim dancehall Thursday. And it will. Come again. Lego. Pull up. Nice, you know. People, today is not a good day for me, you know. Today is not a good day for me. You know why? On Holy Thursday, my daughter died on Holy Thursday last year. My daughter died on Holy Thursday last year. See? And then when my daughter died on Holy Thursday last year, and Good Friday, one of my baby mother father died on Good Friday. See? So that weekend is never good. So when it comes to Holy Thursday, I'm very unhappy. That's why I come do that something here tonight, you know, to ease my heart. I only make me come tonight because I love dancehall and I love the music. Flavor looking love is all I'm. Hey, pull up now, I'm not telling the party. Pull up. Paper. You're a DJ for Creation Rock Tower, you know. I DJ Creation Rock Tower 3 years, and then I left and got Kilimanjaro, DJ Kilimanjaro. See, I DJ Kilimanjaro 3 years too. Someone not even know that. Before they know, so I can't play sound, I'm start play Jaro. When I used to DJ for Creation, ask only famous, he used to DJ for Creation too. Anytime son no come and dance and I miss him, because I sound like him, they say, don't say Screech a trooper. I just DJ, Lego no man. I don't feel happy and I don't feel nice. This is the day that my daughter died, but everything alright. Cause me say everything alright. You know why? There's a mess in the bottom of the rhythm like a lizard pan a limb. Mess in the bottom of the rhythm like a tire pan a rim. Mess in the bottom of the rhythm and they just can't juggle in. Say anyone may go me and it's just that man. Blame on the king, the love is all I'm bring. And show me the boy, no me. Hey Peter, me don't want to play a song. Me don't want to go be a DJ, you know. I don't love God twice a year. Yo, hey. This is a question that will like an answer. Come tell me, who are the world savior? So me say chatting about the world savior. Say regular show time, body not stable in a major. Choosing for this father and Mary as his mother, and put disciple as a his follower. But one of them be chefing 30 pieces of silver. Say that, who did the young not the one Jonas? By a kiss him sold the mount to the Roman soldiers. Oh, cut off and the rough Roman soldiers. Say that is one disciple when they call Peter. Elijah the party the natural fire. And who build the yard, not the one name no one. Who was swallowed by the wheel, not the one Jonah. Say Isaac married to the pull up. Big up Sashi. Hey Jack, you talk about you not play with me. And them some them, I respect you a lot, you know. Well, I'm not going to get a talk a phone something. Me hear no Jack. Say you not play with me, come. Me will tell you about your mother and them something. Jack, don't do that, man. I respect him. Say, leave that alone, man. Our exhibition tonight. We just come to make play a song. Show the people them say that's something alive. Say, I remember when I play at this 1995, you know. I may come at your studio, you give me one box of dub, you go cut in my man, you go play the sound. You said to me, say, you voice the national anthem? I said, no. Then troop on the Jamaica versus America. I may go voice national anthem. Sanchez guys should have wait for me. God just make things happen. Saying, so we're great and you're great. Don't stop me join, come and respect you. A whole lot. That boy, you're not playing with me. You have to play with me. I made the sound play too. Because Chichi and them know the box them.
You talk too much, man. Look. Sorry, young people. Good afternoon, good night, world, and everything. You see this little youth here? All the world I tell him, say, you know, him mouth. I love him, you know. But you see him mouth, put him in some problems sometimes. No. But listen, I never go see a DJ, but you come and play some music. No, the thing about it is not true. You know me love you, I respect you, and I hear you say, me not clash you. So you hear, but I'm not going to pay for clash. Oh, me will clash you, I'm not going to pay the money.
Boss, me not talk tonight, you know, I just hear say you not clash with me.
Oh. Hey, let me talk, man, because we got so much time. No, but anyway, you see tonight, me not get paid for that. And you know you cannot win. You cannot, you cannot win, Trooper. You don't have no chance when you're going to clash me, but we have to get paid for that. That's a different thing. A different something that. Anyway, go on, do your thing.
Alright, we love that. So here we know. Who for think this? Saying. So, meantime, we could just run. Yeah, alright? Yeah. Everybody ready. Plug up Trooper. So we have to pick up the sponsors then. We have some more bun to give it to the people, you know. You see people, whole heap about the sponsors them give you and say eat what the poor people. Yeah man, I will respect that. See, so we don't hold on for way, you know, the sponsor them give them out to people. Yeah, so remember people, this coming Saturday, our road lead to Stewart Town. See? Little John birthday, Little John show. We want everybody in here come. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we make a joyful noise unto the Lord. Musically juggling tonight. See? So Trooper, original. Take it away, Dada.
Jack, afraid for play? Yes. Our people, here we go now. So when you play with a veteran like that who in the business so long, the first round, I'm just going to cruise. Because nothing can go on so till him play and then me return. See? So I go. Me just go nice. And then, when him play now, then me can start take it from there. So. Because so the thing. I don't get it twisted. So when I act myself, I just do it warm and easy. Saying, yeah. You just tell me when it ready. See? So me I say. So now I kill up myself. We just play some song. See? And just nice. Right about to start off with the great Alton Ellis, the king of soul. So me I say.
I jump and sound has to fall, but it's all in the game. All in the wonderful game called Sound Clash. If you think the game sound boy, you're dead. You're foolish dub plates and you're foolish tin pan sound. Rock! I am the king of sound.
Request to all the people who love dancehall music. Come and fun try yourself tonight. Check out your light, free yourself.
Easy Ricky.
Yo!
Trooper. Rock! Play everything pan sound, run away.
Yes, Alton Ellis.
Because the killer jump on every day.
Here's a little John alias over the building.
Super sound killer jump on every day.
Yeah, hey.
Though they tried and they tried just to play Trooper's way. I didn't pan sound, run away. Killer not the tin pan. Every day,
Oh, so listen, Salma, what nice.
listen to me what I say to you.
To kill.
Trooper sound.
Number one sound.
He's the number one sound. Killing sound.
Experience
It's
people.
what
With us
Trooper
nice.
sound. What Trooper sound do now.
I'm like this. Alton Ellis, sing the next song for all the people. In a dancehall Thursday.
You kill them Trooper, you kill them Trooper.
Hey.
Hey.
Sing all the time. Hey.
Oh yeah, now. Look here. Don't see me, I'm a big sound. Watch out, me mash up the town. All them jump and sound. Them a clown now. I'm going to kill. What the sound now. So hear me.
I like control the sound until I give it a couple of beers.
I'm going to throw your timber down. And Trooper is the champion.
And it's just a warm-up thing. Ding-a-ling swing. See? Not start yet, see? Gonna take a little walk on the ground up. On a place like Waterhouse, you know? St. Lucia Road. Where the great King Jam is. Rule. See? I heard him and then call it there with you. So me I say, I play a few songs and I can't go on until Jack. Because Jack said won't kill me, you know, so we are wait. See?
Now where did all those tin and jump and up and sound?
Oh, the sound, I want to turn up the sound now, man. Don't play the watch
all
out.
that good rubber dub dance all
Turn up the sound,
that we
man.
know. I wanna know right now. Chupa gonna play it right now. Dash
you the song, and I want to mash it
live
up.
and direct. Chupa sound and bass.
Yeah, the box for the two, but the light on there. Yo. Hey.
A murder. You shouldn't try test the chupa.
Here's a chop. Sure.
A murder.
Hey.
You shouldn't try test the chupa. No, no. We a go kill them a one by one. A chupa a go kill them a 2 by 2.
Yeah.
I go kill them a 3 by 3. Come get up on the Tony Papa laughing spree. Me have to sing murder. You shouldn't try test this song, yeah. No, no. A murder. You shouldn't try play this song, yeah. And I mean it.
Yo.
Chupa is the
I don't come back crash now. This is the good thing I like that I'm here. Hey.
All the while them coming at the dance, I want like them big and them brown.
Yo.
But sound boy,
Request for the light that is there.
sound super and the ruler for the dance. Him a go say,
why? I chupa gonna rock them tonight. We gonna rock it tonight. I chupa gonna rock it tonight.
Why is you like a genius, bro?
We gonna rock it tonight.
Play with fire, you get burned.
Rock it tonight. Chupa playing in the ghetto
Hey, hey,
tonight. We gonna rock it tonight.
Well, Jack, me not busy when you watch that set tonight, you know. You've been a killer for a long time, but not bad like me. You're 20 this dance just summer.
no sound can't kill the chupa when the night no morning.
Yeah.
Rueful you should have hear when we give up the warning. Chupa play the dub, you let them know it.
Jack, you think you're God? You think you're God and you control my destiny? You're gunshot for me and go dead? Hey! I'm not idiot till you come on and dance with paper with your song left on it. Yo, my paper in my head is a computer. Me tell you something, Jack, tonight. You never tell you something tonight, Jack. Never tell you something. Me tell you something. Yo! Me tell you something.
Boy, I know you are go dead. Come back with chupa, them full of up and leg. Jump on,
Yeah.
jump on, tell them you are go dead. Come test it down, sound them shots and all the way. Don't pay. Wait till I go let you go. If you never let you go.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hey, people. I look at pussy
Wait
eyes.
till I go let
Jano. We don't like you. Where the people go? Where you come from? You look at strike. Where? Don't do it, man. You know you want to come take for something, mother, and that you have to pay for it. Don't do it, man. Where you come to touch me something? Don't do it.
People, tonight, Peter, I don't need to hear someone. Relax, man. I can't deal with this, man. See, tonight, I'm very respectable. You know, so everyone have me one time said, Trooper is this and Trooper is that. But I know when to be a gentleman. This platform is not that type of thing. This platform is respect. I show me no said a platform I respect. I come with respect tonight. Now, Jack, I'm gonna show you something. See, this is music and entertainment. So if you have something here and I say, people, you come with a piece of paper with this song, nothing's wrong with that. Just style me back when you're playing. Style me back. People, respect I'm dealing with. No disrespect. The Ricky Trooper, you don't know the Ricky Trooper, you time and place for everything. Time and place for everything. Jack, since you're ignorant now, beat you, kill you tonight.
Respect, respect in everything.
All who love God, Papa son. Listen.
Don't know, say Jesus Christ, let me say the time. Hear me now. I love God in no war thing.
It's a respect thing. And it's nice, it's true about that thing.
Bless them every time. You know?
You understand, Moms, now we
I
know.
say that. Let me say the honor for Christ Jesus.
Ah, look,
I'm some trooper.
be a Reggae trooper, yo.
Listen. Watch out. Magnificent. Do it. When excellent. Do it. Burn them in it. Burn them in it. No boom, this in the bottom of them. Bring them in. Do it. Burn them in it.
Yo, Papa son did fast and the DJ did fast. All the rest did you come bigger than you. Yo, dance and dance it.
Hey, ask them.
Hey, yo. Hey.
Ricky Trooper, Almighty God, me have to love you. Almighty God, me never stop serve you. Almighty God, Stitchy Trooper, Ricky Trooper, what we say? And me tell them second.
Yo, Stitchy.
Yeah, Ricky Trooper.
Peter, when me have 5 more minutes, tell me. Hey, person, that DJ I'm gonna play. That you, him lose him life early, you know, when him just a bus, you know. Me and him used to work Kilimanjaro, you know. See? That you, in your hammer mouth. Me can't play hammer mouth, you know. Yo! That's how it goes there. Hey!
Use them black street, cut the rank in a cell and meter. When me a drink blood for days and week, you not the most big orange thief. Very fabulous and talk about that retreat. Me not tell when me a drink, me just make them come and bust them blood. Half done bill, they hold it deeper. When me a rap bricks and shot yard man, corner and race cow down a Britannia. When me a run the place like a Vietnam. When me a kill man without centrifuge, she dirts man no left in crib yet. When me a catch
I play twice more song, you know. Twice more song. Yo! Hey!
Tonight we will one jump and sound. Some trooper go kill them. We did one your boy.
Yeah, I'm just evil, you know.
One jump.
People, this is my life. I'm alive, this.
That's what I mean. Say, what we do? Look up for the back class. Come look up for the back class. Come look up for the back. 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 Look up for the back.
Twice to go.
Flip on out to the morning, man. Gonna feel like fist up. Why some of them come never dance with the music? Some of them come never give me one drop.
Hey!
Put on me pants and put on me shirt and then pick up put on me and the woman and a man them in at the dance. Come with them and a man naked up on a rock. Some of them brown and some of them black, but some of them zim and some of them bad. Let me say, some of them bold, them about it. Some of them are dread like somewhere. Run them about them, eat them, laugh them, joke them, wind them, get them, turn them, sound them, about them, about them, drink and get them, cut down them, tell them what I want them, tell them what I teach them, tell them what I bring them. Don't tell them what they got them.
Hello. Peter, remember I was disturbing, but you see one more song, my principle. People, when I boy I want to play, you know. You see me in Reggae Troop, I make the body set the anthem and them in a dance hall. All I saw them nowadays, them still a play me anthem them. You see that song I'm going to play? I'm going to sound trooper play this now way here. No boy can't pull up and lock and they can't play the artists over here, so the artists over here, so. But none of them can't play me in a combination. This are the voice of Sugar Link and Granulated Sugar Minor and Sizzler Kalanji in a combination. Listen to Chodia.
I'll troop around, no matter.
I said trooper.
This is a color just sang.
Listen to
cloud that make you shout. Shout out. Touch the cloud that make you float. Float out. Bust the cloud that make you shout. Shout out. I'm not sure to say yo, I just sound too I know the play by the sound and see the color. Yo, kick it in the face, I can't stop and see. Hey, man, see the sign of your mind.
Time and place, everything.
Sound super play original style.
Let me mash on the body platform and then coach me.
Oh no.
All who come for your wally pass all who real Ricky Trooper, God finger and I hear me say. You dance on Thursday.
Give it straight.
I never gonna give sound super run. No matter what they do, I never gonna give sound super run.
Combination, we are passing.
No matter what a sound boy play.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, big up my dead picnic outside. Yeah, Brian, you may do this for tonight, my daughter. You may do this for tonight, my daughter. I should have done roll. You may do this tonight for my daughter.
Sound too.
Eh? But no beat to kill you. Hey, I mean this. No beat to kill you. You shouldn't do it tonight. They're gonna murder you. Yo.
No matter what they do,
You know
I
me.
never gonna give sound
That's
super
on
run.
Thursday.
See that sign that
No
see
matter
so
what
good. There's nothing in the system of which they create. Criticize them in our drink and they judge at the straw. If they were to be wrong, they're not different from those scraps and flies.
People know say, I clean out the people who are here. Check your back like you're bump by your yo. I'm gonna get some good ways. So great.
Enterprise, I
I
got
saw Peter and tell me no man. Back up. Back up something. Back up man.
Sound super run.
Back up Peter.
No time.
Back up Peter. Peter.
Oh
The party have to play for the woman them.
no.
Peter, the party have to play for the woman them. All who love Punani, we have here in the year. We have here in the year. Peter, you come like you like woman. You don't want the party to play. You don't want the party to play. Peter, for the woman them, sizzler.
Really care for you. Some
Stop.
Yo, hear me as no people. You see the blogger boy them or they are foreign and the blogger girl them. And them thing and them wants if you run with on the internet, you know. You see me as people, cause them love negativity. For put it up, for get views, for get money from YouTube. I saw them stay saying. So me I beg the eye them, just keep it musically. You understand? Just keep it calm, Virgin. Calm down your temper and keep it musically. Jack Scorpio, enough respect to the eye. Saying, yo, you see you? Control yourself. Saying, you know, you and I yellow gang see. Alright. So Scorpio.
Yo. People. You see, what I and I do, it's the little youth that trooper. I mean, boss him. I mean, make him get the first dance in his life. Yeah. As a youth, me see and give him first grade. The first dancing people to Black Scorpio. Yeah. And put him a road. And me I say, me can't believe, say, every time that you they come from mic, him feel like he's to tell a man this and that and want disrespect big man. Me a big man. You walk around the world and tell you bust every artist. You bust the artist, yeah. You bust everybody you bust. But never tell you something. Never play a song right now for you see you bust Garnet Silk and you bust this. More you play with one Garnet Silk, don't play. But you hear that one here?
Yeah, man. Let me not tell you, man, this is Everton Blender alongside Blender.
I know, and you know, that when certain boy run into Jack Scorpio, it's like them running a park truck.
I'm not going to play. Pull up. Because me I tell you something, trooper. No disrespect. Me do my duty. You walk on and say your boss, you ever produce a song yet? You ever produce an artist yet? Why you play one dub plate with an artist?
Garnet Silk. Right now, road boy, I say your voice sweeter than me. So last God knows. Black Scorpio stepping up.
Real.
Black Scorpio stepping up. Oh, hey, yeah. Hit the road, Jack. Your Scorpio is on top. Yeah. And 200 rebel, you know, say Donna J that bring up there, you know, say everything. Chris,
we kill some more and more and more and more and more. Hit the road, Jack. We kill a song boy once more.
200 roads, big
God
up.
no.
Rhythm. Jack Scorpio again, man.
On the bottom, here we go. Scorpio and Robot Dub. Soldier marching on to war.
Scorpio gonna kill them again.
Scorpio and Robot Dub. Soldier marching on to war.
We are gonna kill them, but here this so is a little soldier and we the on the road. We keep the sound them under control. Scorpio, it is a soldier and we the on the road.
Alright, let us just have a little example. Trooper, you talk about your boss artist and your this and your that. How you play a hammer mouth a while ago? That was a 45, so that's why I started a 45 Garnet Hill. For sure say, I produce a Garnet Hill. You never produce a hammer mouth here. So when you're there, you never cut no dog off a hammer mouth. Or you don't cut no dog off a Garnet Hill. So I'm going to play a hammer mouth make a year. Here? So take a listen.
Bad boy hammer. What are you mean? If for reality you want, let me hear you all a Black Scorpio. Let me tell you for reality you want.
Listen.
I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor who rule the whole world, ruling enter. Scorpio the greatest sound. We come out. Boy hammer. What are you mean? If for reality you want, let me hear you all a Black Scorpio. Let me tell you for reality you want. Yeah, you mean? I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor who rule the whole world, ruling enter. Scorpio the greatest sound. We come out ever. When the sound wake up and battlefield with him soldier Selassie. Raise him rod pale lightning and thunder. All ballad off we bow in front of every Rasta. Rasta man no sit up with no warmonger. Who believe in a iniquity and a bag of obia. Warmonger no know nothing about them culture. Them don't know where the word Selassie stand for. It stand for all the Trinity. I say strength and power. Jaga lick the whole of them with brimstone and fire. If for reality you want, let me hear you all a Black Scorpio.
Pull up again. I go back to Spanish Town. For me, I tell you, Super, and we make music, and we make dub, and we start them things here. And we start real clashing a business. You understand me? I'm going to play a data with me boss again, because you talk to your boss every artist. She come from Spanish Town. I hear you this, but I'm me boss her. Here we go, Lady G. I want to listen to that song, you know, and listen to the message tonight. Listen.
Jack Scorpio, Lady G, I said enough respect, you know, can you see you? I am responsible for Lady G career for years, and them for know that. You hear me, Black Scorpio? Make them know this, you know, kick it off. And you know when I laugh, Black Scorpio sound. And 50 years we are celebrate, and we don't lightweight. Black Scorpio are bad from in the 70s. From when fans have been down the fences. Long before Volkswagen took over Bentleys. And before dub plate gets so expensive. When picnic a fly kite and a play gig. Barefoot pants are wear and the pants look big. Them time the trooper was just a little kid. And Tony Mataran still a piece up him crib. Them days the we Jack Scorpio the energy has enough respect, you know, can you see you? I am responsible for Lady G career for years and them for know that. You hear me, Black Scorpio? Make them know this, you know, kick it off. And you know when I laugh, Black Scorpio sound. And 50 years we are celebrate, and we don't lightweight. Black Scorpio are bad from in the 70s. From when fans have been down the fences. Long before Volkswagen took over Bentleys. And before dub plate gets so expensive. When picnic a fly kite and a play gig. Barefoot pants are wear and the pants look big. Them time the trooper was just a little kid. And Tony Mataran still a piece up him crib. Them days the sky juice really never big. We go and wear a afro we look like wig. Holy pass on grave Black Scorpio dig them a hype up themselves and we beat them wicked. Jack Scorpio a big man in the business. I mean not talk your height so I don't know no business. One deeper artist, you make a live, produce me for sound. Credit me a big give job. Now they no bad like Scorpio, yo. Any deal, anywhere, me want to be.
Listening to the roughest sound
Right
for
now,
years.
you are
Champion
celebrating
somewhere
at the
around
business.
this, I
No,
am
I can't talk to you. Right now, they no bad like Scorpio. Any deal, anywhere, me want to you. 50 years right now, you are celebrating at the business. So no, I can't talk to you. Top Scorpio.
Raga, 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 raga muffin for Scorpio, you a murderer. Raga that a muffin for Scorpio, you a dangerous. Raga that a muffin for Scorpio, you're a slaughterer. Raga that a muffin for Scorpio, man, you big bout ya. Can you run? Dancehall in any area. You can run it from corner straight round to center. People jump out and shout and holler out your danger. So them send your passport visa and you come America. Ragamuffin Scorpio for you a murderer. Ragamuffin Scorpio because you big bout ya. Ragamuffin Scorpio cause you a dangerous. Him up 10-18 say in a corner mid-range and steal on and a lot of tweeter. Man of them the little thing my dance sound so sweeter. Me say when the trees and Reggae up the microphone center. Raga, 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 muffin papa Reggae, you a slaughterer. Raga, 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 muffin Scorpio for you a dangerous. Cause he can ram it in a Westmoreland and he was sentenced. St. James sent Mary right round to Clarendon. People jump and holler, say Scorpio, you want it done. When the general is on Zion. The ocean standards only place is our clean hands and the pure in heart, and those are those who only put them soul to vanity, only put their trust in the true and living God. Yeah, Rastafari, so come down, Scorpio. Lord of mercy, yes. Now if you only know the rubber double black Scorpio, I sound why would I run away? And if you only see the turntable with some lovely dub later spin, you would pack up your sound and find somewhere else to play. Because Black Scorpio dub box is open wide, and in there's a lot of rubber dub. There is nothing Black Scorpio have to lose. Hey, so son boy, be wise and step outside, and don't be like some who will show their only chances away. Across the bridge, Black Scorpio, why kill them tomorrow? Across the bridge, Black Scorpio, leave them in a pain. No more sound can test Black Scorpio down in Jamaica. And we will never live.
Well, when the West was one, and when it began, nothing so cowboy. Me no see nothing yet, which part them come from. One this wicked man, them best Black Scorpio, them pointed. Me run the Paso and run Texas City. Me a chosen well, I'm a friend dirty, we or a big Dijon. Them gold and money, take with them girl, just to them always pretty. Take them not the West, or to them black and blue. Make them speak English, them give you good picnic. Fear no word law, me murder any bounty. Winchester 45 is not special. Shotting on me gun, on me barrel can't empty. Murder the sheriff, we slaughter the deputy. This Black Scorpio, your life in a jeopardy.
Alright, we're gonna pull up and play another bounty killer, but me I tell Trooper something. Trooper, you know, say, right now, you see, tonight, me never come for no clash with you, you know. But you see, like how, we there, I'm gonna play some tune for the people there. I know, say, them song here, is some song what help you to win that big clash there. For me, I have to tell you what to play, and this will win, you know. Say to the next dub play, is the next bounty. Take a listen, Trooper.
Black Scorpio on the borderline. Big Mac kill every way, no polish, no shine. No time. Yeah, you have some guy, them red eye, bad-minded. But my guy, clean heart and all live. None of them receive. Black Scorpio from way back how long I was never bad man. Anyone? None of them receive. That's why we must strive, we must get along. In all the last of long. None of them receive. Find about man, Scorpio yourself. If a sound boy want to disrespect, tell Scorpio feel it from them foot making step. Like how we carry up them want distress. Bad mind and control, that's the subject. Sound boy, you know for years, Scorpio are talk clear. Now make a guide it on
See, yeah man, in them Black Scorpio, in them, cause we no cater. In them Black Scorpio, in them, cause we no jester. Hey, bang by the angle of bang. What da 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 bang bang. Hey, bang by the angle. Scorpio man, when you want champions of the Black Scorpio National, same man no Marshall. Language and Everton Blender, Maxwell dead. Yeah man. Rastafari, I Selassie first.
Yeah, John.
Yeah, man. In them, Black Scorpio. In them, cause we no cater. In them, Black Scorpio. In them, cause we no jester. Hey, bang by the angle of bang. What da 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 dang dang. Hey, bang by the angle of bang. What da 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 dang. You just call me.
Soon clash no easy. When Black Scorpio rings and shot him head. No need to ball, no need to beg. Scorpio no save and lead. Oh Lord, another skull bus. Mother receive another sound going dead. Family and friends wants more fish and bread. Somebody call the earth. Cause a sound going dead in ya. They need to leave the turf. Make it quick because it's getting rather worse. Scorpio no pet, no powder, the champion, neither nurse. Said we don't no giant latch, nah it no giant.
Kill them and done name of the Lord. I still love. In the name of the Lord, Scorpio no skin teeth, skin teeth, skin teeth. Killing sound is the master, it's the key. In the name of the Lord, that winner, skin teeth. Killing sound is the master, is the key. Sound fear double, sound fear just know how to kill up a sound. Don't sit down on the corner, wait and Scorpio, and have a bad mind fi come steal our double. Hear this, oh, in the name of the Lord, that skin teeth. Killing sound is the master, is the key. In the name of the Lord, Scorpio, skin teeth. Killing sound is the master, is the key. Pick up your chest, you want kill something.
Let me know say you a Black Scorpio. Maddest thing. No boy violate, no boy this. We set the pattern and set order. You hear this? Big gunman rise, boy, and make no noise in this. Black Scorpio, gonna get the shot between the eyes. Like the bundle, like the frost, it's just a real life. Gunshot in the brain.
We are shielding down the mercy. People Jordan. Some boys, keep by your mountain, 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 keep by your mountain.
long run short catch.
Alright, long run short catch for you, man. We have a clash, real clash. Remember that. You love show up on people, you look up. Disrespect people all the while, you look up mouth. I'm going to catch you, real catch. Anybody want to put on a real clash? Put on with me on the birthday now. Serious thing.
Yes. Well, people, let's go and hold on and enjoy yourself because this is original.
No, let me tell you one thing. O'Neal, you remember what you tell me today, though? Eh? You for come say it, you know. But you tell me a thing today and yesterday. I just come from foreign Wednesday. And O'Neal tell me, say, we are come juggle. Part 1, part 2, and DJ, but DJ, I don't prepare for your clash. This brother I turn that clash, you never tell me that, O'Neal. You understand me? Serious thing, me just come from foreign. You understand me? So this brother I want to strike back for me. Hold on, me people. Hold on. Me never prepare for clash. Yeah, it is all right. It's all right. But anyway, 1, 2, 4. Yeah.
Well, watch out, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Calm down, man. Calm down. Make him express himself. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. So Trooper, they play 5 minutes and they play 5 minutes. Same.
Now, people, I'm not clashing. I'm just playing music. I'm not clashing. I'm just playing music. Hey, Jack, you say if you pack up and come out before we done the exhibition, and this you people. Thank you. If you come out and you say tonight before we done the exhibition, and this the people. Because you're using decent language in here, and you say you're going to murder me, and no, I don't. Hey, don't expect a trooper to behave like that. No, I'm nice. Them tell lie for me all the while, you know, people. Jack, you come chat, boy, you catch me. You think me a rat? Well, drop them. Everything good, but you can't leave in a Jack. If you leave out your son before the exhibition done your bow.
Yeah, only man will like King Selassie.
Jack, none of you play from night now. Go with them. Listen to me, I'll show you man what you play. Listen.
Big up yourself because you're large, yeah.
Play for the same man.
Yeah. Na, yeah.
Oh, you're looking super fast, later. That's all,
watch those top plates you play and mind all you act on. Watch out for counteraction, will make your jump and pop.
listen then.
Watch out for the serial killer, Ricky Tupac, him well smart. I bring beer killing the plate, I go straight to a jump and pop. Everything dead, Ricky Tupac and the captain.
If I talk off him about me no bust nobody. You see sound trooper sound, a bad sound. And me make your body like last off. You see that junior? Voice and Jack you and me here play some little bounty killer. Jack you and bounty killer in a combination.
He that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, or
I don't love God. They go down up their fucking squidly.
they gone full. I shout. It's one on insecure. I shout. Trooper, speak up and I guess you're sure. I shout. Sound trooper.
My daughter, in a Zion, disappear tonight.
When them think I'm man-made, boy, come here.
Yeah, Jack you.
As I know, Jaja.
On the left side, man. I miss that person here.
People of soul.
You know what truth to play that song, they make killers.
No job manifest me, and my fans are request me. Now gonna make the rivers run dry.
I don't know why you're bunting in that
The Lord is full of the salvation, so no fear, no evil. If I'm through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil. Nowadays, I'm a light and I'm a salvation.
Jack, you can find some look how you would play the sound, man. Jack, find some you would play the sound. It sound not bad without general trees. It's not bad without general trees. Let me tell you something. You see tonight, I'm going to bullet you. The artist here, I'm going to play that more boss. And me boss the artist here. Yeah, me boss the artist here.
say. That's how we say.
Yeah.
Give us the music song called Sound Trooper. What I say? A gunshot, nigga them from the violence. Must be my enemies because they show the them not know we living on a down low, but sound like some trooper. Make them put them break the lower. Bust it up.
Shut off your mouth. When it comes to Kilimanjaro, me put it back on the market. The song I never play, me turn it in an anthem.
No love Reggae Show. I'm supplying the boss sounds.
Yo, what is all around Reggae Show from Jaro here? That thing I like, I'm not in our club, me say.
I'd say hello love Reggae Show, bound to make me so no one. Badam bang bang. Hello love song, so bound to put up on the one. Hear me, because killing give us so kill them before all. Killing a jump and now we kill them before all. Killing give us.
Anybody know sports sense to me like that? What the ganja people in there? Pop up in ganja light in there.
I don't know Tupac getting up on them case, you know. Play with them
baby man.
But international.
Yo.
Sure. I say hello, no to them a ganja man like Tainan. Bang bang bang. Hello, no like no coke and I say put up on the one. When you hear me, Becca, lick it the chat.
Little boy Jack. Little boy Jack. Little boy Jack. Little boy Jack, you come talk about Garnet Silk. Garnet Silk died in 1994 and Sound Trooper Sound start 2000. But, I'm not going to discipline you outside. I'm going to play twice and I'm going to discipline you. You know no manners. You don't know that's what me are.
You'll be tried for a killing, yeah. And night in the night, you'll be tried for a killing, yeah.
Yo! Fires in you like Greg Riser!
There's something sting. Kill them, some trooper.
Now watch Peter. Me have 4 more minutes left. Now watch Peter. You rap me a while ago sometime. Now watch.
Liquor, acid, bourbon, smoke, and the dance out time.
Hey!
No, trooper does not play the right.
Hey!
I mean say, oh, what a killing.
Jack, you left your yard tonight and come here and disrespect me. See? I don't even me tell you woman nothing make you enjoy yourself, Jack. I know me, Jack. And your woman does a woman shoot you, Jack. All the man know see you straight like 12 o'clock and you not do a Jack and do gun finger in the ear.
I do the wrong thing.
Cartel!
You know what them up and them race.
Want to go, Jack? I don't mean not your problem. So you got not married. And she don't make you happy. Hey, Jack! Shoot him, Cartel!
I don't really mean name. My fat son. Go safe.
And that we use beat some boy where you live. Ricky, any fan where you snap. Make sure you're something will come out of this heart. You is a vegetarian, your brain cell collapse. Say your money and powder the tail of the ox. But every night when you are your woman a relax.
Pull up! Little boy Jack. Little boy Jack. Little boy Jack. Don't tell me nothing about Garnet Silk. Garnet Silk, him in a grave and the one on the sound come every day and play over the sea wash over song. Me a go play Garnet Silk last picnic. When Garnet Silk drop out, him in a belly. And name Garnet Silk June and name Garnet Silk Alchem. Kill Jack Garnet picnic. Kill Garnet picnic.
Trooper. EMS said, man, this is Garnet Silk June representing for Trooper. Let Ruben live and never die. Last year.
There be no mercy for the merciless.
Yo, I'm going to play Garnet Silk picnic. The father that must live alive. Be alive artist. Yo.
They're taking advantage of the underprivileged.
Super, calm down. Whoa. See, I 8 minutes that. I forget Jack Phoebe as well. You hear me? People is all about music. I will just make a joyful noise unto the Lord. Father Jack, where you say, my brother?
Yes, Peter. Him getting vibes. Go enjoy yourself, Trooper. We are going to connect. Don't worry about it. But anyway, I hear you gone. We all of me, my wife and me, Pitney and Ray. Hey, Trooper, my first son nearly all like you. I let him drop out. Remember that. But anyway, we don't go there, sir. But we don't go fight. If I know that it all reached to, you know. You soon come tell me about my parents and my wife and my Pitney them. Yo, that's why I'm going to play with some people, you know.
Let me tell them, saying how we set the foundation for years and decades and century. Now, boy, I'm going to violate this and get well. You see me also put cap on them face, because Jack Scorpio, Father Jack, are bad people. You understand? Stand up in any boy face. We face them bright and we drop the plate because we have enough. Hold it, we have. I want this any sound. We're not afraid of nothing. We're not press buttons. Black Scorpio, Jack, real general. Stand up in the face, let the country. I want them DJ Wave. Benny. I want them. Carlton. Falcon. Jack, you're not afraid of nothing at all. Sure. Even though who them run come this, I chat about them 9 real cool man, cause Black Scorpio, we not feel the sound. But a bad man, a bad man sound. Well, certain boy, I pop on that. I'm telling them, saying how we set the foundation for years and decades and century. I'm going to violate this and get well. You see me also put cap on them face, down. Jack Scorpio, Father Jack, are bad people. You understand? Stand up in any boy face. We face them bright and we drop the plate because we have enough. Hold it, we have. I want this any sound. We're not afraid of nothing. We're not press buttons. Black Scorpio, Jack, real general. Stand up in the face, let the country. I want them DJ Wave. Benny. I want them. Carlton.
Listen, yo. Original.
Jack, you're not afraid of nothing at all.
Not that.
Sure. Even though who them run come this, I chat about them 9 real cool man, cause Black Scorpio, we not feel the sound. But a bad man, a bad man sound. Well, certain boy I pop on and send them trick. Well, none of them don't know, cause them no find out yet. Got them on the big curfew. Man a bad man a bad man sound. Sweet in out there, one at a time. Like how we will see no shine. Don't they cry, no they're begging for their lives. Yes. And this we know this is who we realize.
Till then, alright. Hell, we send them, stay so. And we see the Columbia blessing. Just stop and tell them. Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you.
Sergeant Hitler.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. Hey, just come to say it's for you to make the best in life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and stop. Do what you're gonna do.
Lord of His mercy, why? No sound boy can't screech across no border and cuff with champion. Why? Them get themselves into trouble. Lord of His mercy, why? No sound boy can't screech across no border and cuff with champion sound. No way. Them just can't screech across no border and cuff with champion sound. I saw me say, them can't screech across no border and cuff with champion sound.
Ragamuffin, Black Scorpio is dangerous. Papa Screw and Inspector are selecting all the rhythm. No other sound, so try and test. Because they're gonna get up with me. Ragamuffin, Black Scorpio is dangerous. Ragamuffin, Black Scorpio is dangerous. So here, say to me,
let it play. Right away now, the little man, Scorpio don't know about something. Ready, man.
Mix this. And you scarf your son with some clapping. You no rent a dread, no for your mix up with no nothing. No patch and dread, no for your chat bounce. Selassie, I'm a love the candle caramel. A little coffee. She freaky when she ready, but she know when she be classy. Head scarf, you have the peanut. Blend up with the machine. Ride it like a cyclist. Mix with a jockey, and you know what's gonna happen when the mommy mix it popping.
Son boy, you're that reckless selector, and you're the plate, them not say a thing. I know you reach at the Scorpio place. Now you started to delay in the middle of the session. Now some boy about to flap the down. Say Captain Scorpio, throwing the plate over high, over high. Show His mercy over high, over high.
Pull up. Because you don't know. Big up yourself, Little John. Enough love to the eye. Enough love to the youth. And you have your show come up this Saturday. Never did it too. And young Kevin over there. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Little John. I'm not touching that one, Little John. You know, 1 minute. Are you 8 minutes that already? Oh my God. Little John, let me touch I want to big up your show for this Saturday, you know? Big respect. Because you are flinging your foot, you look up. Boy, no, I have one more. Here's a 1 minute. Give me a little piece. Never look youth for me team I show up on Garnet 6 son. Never youth when me have show up on me in Kevin Club and do a 1-2. So a 1-2 me play for we have bust the youth here. And he make that tune, hey, a tune, you know, me know say something no go on, you know. And we make a little 1 dub here for play for the eye them, for Kevin Clark. So when I take a little to the youth, hey, Trooper, that one here for you. Make only for you.
Trooper! Jack Scorpio, the song we are going to murder you tonight. You're dead now. Trooper dead now. Oh yeah, yeah. With some silent steps, Scorpio creep up on you. With some deadly dubs, Scorpio kill you tonight. Trooper, Scorpio make you run until you wanna die. Hurt yourself, make you wanna sigh. Be careful, be careful. Scorpio gonna murder you like a thief in the night. Killing me, that's so wild. Oh yeah, with them jump on Sunday.
Pull up, because I know fish. You see that youth here? Squiggly. And me and him and Mega Bantan and Ricky General go Japan. Yeah, Japan, you remember that? Japan.
Yeah, we go to Japan 1999. 3 away. I will do 17 show. 17, Squidly Rankin, Ricky General, Mega Bantan, and Jack Scorpio sound. So anyway, Jack Scorpio. Best of 7 now, dub for dub now, 1 for 1.
No, it's a real trash thing. No. Hey, you hear me? Hey, anybody want that I'm going to pay me for that? We're not going for it. John, I will do it at your show. I will do it at your show. I'm not going there, sir. No, we're not going to never prepare for this. I didn't know that. O'Neil, you set me up. You set me up. No, we're not going there. No, we don't. No. We're not going for this. We're doing it.
Boss, so. Say, calm no man. Just calm. They know you play that song that like while I call me name. Me don't come that song with your name in it. You say, well, I know you play Bernard and see no. You say you're not clash. See? And then you're not clash. You're gonna murder me first. They're not clash. Well, I know you say that man. See? And then no, you're not clash. Then you play the youth with a customer shoot me. See? And then you're not clash. And then now the 7 work for done the thing, cause the thing at the last but you run. Just afraid, you're afraid, man. You're afraid, John. make you free. Find the 7, make we play the 7. Find the 7, Jack. You have to find the 7, you know. If you not find the 7, the 20,000 people that online, you diss them. You diss your fans whether you're for a long time, and you diss me too. You diss the platform. Find the 7. Find the 7.
Are the best at 7, you know.
Hey, I'm me here to find 7 songs. Me need pay for that. No. Me need pay for that. Me need pay for it. If I find 7 songs right now, only have to pay me some money. That's why I say 7 songs or nothing. So 7 songs or nothing. Hey, listen. Anytime they give me some money, let me serious. Me now take this and I saw this club. And I got 7 songs tune or anything. You can't find 7 tune or nothing. Machine.
All right. Anyway, I would just Jack say him call it a day. So you me now, one big up you named Charlie Blacks, you know same thing I come up with 6th of April, right down at Trelawney Stadium. Saying I don't know say Charlie Blacks is a youth where come into the business and come really set a standard as a young artist from them time, from Michael's time. So big up Charlie Blacks, right in at Trelawney Stadium, the 6th of April, a film thing. Based on this Echo One Sus Sammy. Yeah, and a sound name, what is his name, what? DJ Starboy, and right now in a Trelawney Stadium. Why this thing here can't manage it.
Yeah, you hear me? You see me? Yo, one time him Shirley I said, him said, me I look stripe, me this, me that. Youth, one thing with me now. You see me? People tell us something. We could have built one big old house, we have 12 rooms, you know. Say, living room and them something, but what? Me I want somebody. A 1 room you can't sleep in now. Me have more than 1 cars. A 1 me can't drive at a time. Say, you see my bedroom, when me build, a sound trooper sound system I build and give back to the people. Me play with the most young sound in Jamaica. See, me find the most struggle. If you don't want to play 7, me have a play 7. But then you have to play first, you know. But me I play 7, afraid of me. Voice of you like Damien Marley and Stephen Marley.
Murderation, yeah, you know. Trooper killer sound tonight. Slaughteration. Sound boy know them gonna die. Assassination. Right between them.
Nobody play and interrupt me now.
Say trooper killer sound tonight. Such a short way up and such a long way down. Them got this Ricky trooper, them we get showdown. We love them, son of them off the way by pound. In any sound clash and in any sound boy call out.
Pull up. Scorpio. You know the Damien Marley and Stephen Marley. Find some holdits then, man. Find our holdits. Find some holdits, man. Find something, man. Play Damien and something, we get the thing moving. Because you have to play 7, you know. If you don't play 7, you're coward. After all these years, you have sound, you're coward.
Everybody know it all.
Well, I want to show you. Hey, let me tell you something. I mean, make music. You see, all right. When it come to when it comes to Steve Marley, you play Steve Marley and Damien Marley. But I go and play as Ziggy Marley and as Steve Marley. For me play them when me bust them you to find them a melody makers. Where you the dead? You know, you never sound yet. And then you tell you, that's why I say, yo, I forget pay for this, you know. Alright, let me just play that one.
Yeah, give thanks and praises to the Most High, Rastafari. Ziggy and Steve Marley coming from the Jack Scorpio's head. Love it. One big up Scorpio himself, General 3, Papa Screw, Inspector Al, and all Scorpio fans. No. boy stop you, set in your hand, but you have no plan what to do day by day. What I take, how do you go to it? Champion sound like Black Scorpio. The black bones cause we kill the most.
What's Steven that?
What we use without purpose. Steven. Stand up. Go stand up for you. You get
Hey, pull up. So, now we get paid for that thing I know.
Jack, you start that a one, Jack. You can't move your blouse and skirt, yo. Hey, tapping nice, man. Let me tell you something. Remember, say first dance me keeping in my life a Black Scorpio me use, you know. 40 years ago when me start Magnificent Troopers marching band, you know. So quiet yourself and show me respect. Remember when Junior Reed said he want $500, you know, a 500 pint, you know. I'm just hold on the bag of money and I say, want you, hey Junior, that $200 me I give you. Half pint at $200 me I give you. You look at me as a trooper, me put, give me $250 for each of them, and I want you, show me respect. Show the people them respect, your backside, yo. Jack, me I go deep. Them say mad, Jack. They say mad.
Time now, and yo, I King Selassie time now, and to Babylon sound trooper now about. Watch out, tell them good champion. Trooper, trooper large. Watch out tonight for the champion.
Boys, you like Junior boys.
Watch out, tell them say Junior
boys.
Sound trooper. Step up.
Fine tune. Fine tune. Yo.
You seek a moment back, yet no love for us. Some cheaper songs will fade away. You just for only wealth and not for his physical health. Fade away. Those some believe in diamond and pearl and feel like they're on top of the world, they should fade away.
Fine song, man.
What I say.
Me now pull up the party.
Jack is there and every way.
And this is the joy we give to people.
I know when you play the game.
No play that fear tonight.
So people beware.
Hey, pull up. Come in, my elder.
Hey, let me tell you something. I love that, yes. And nice foundation. I love that. But, hey, listen, me that serious man. Me a old man now, you know. Me need money for them things. I find a one song. I play a one song. But me not play no more. That one you go just make him know, say, me a serious selector. You know what I mean? No joke about it. You hear this?
Sports, sound crew, all the problems, ladies and gentlemen, Black
No ice cream sound. No ice cream sound. Some boys, I don't want no ice cream sound. It's too soft for me.
Where am I going? Just get the forward.
Jack, don't run, Jack. Jack, please don't run. Jack, don't run. People, you play a little one, a regular song, and I run. Say, Jack, this sound over here, so your sound trooper, ain't on your police high power. A police, them always are doing ice cream and licking. If that police want bex a song, say, a sound trooper. Ain't no police thing. No, Jack, you're drug thing at the pan, man. People, if you saw what about so long, son, if you saw what about so long, him supposed to play me wicked and that with a young song. People, that song you never play this year in the real rap. This a brand new, a John Walton a combination.
Hey, massive, this is Brenda. I'm here to tell you, this is the biggest sound ever will ever be. Sound Trooper, you're the best. Hear me on this man here. What your name?
John Holt, I know, see, when I and this man come together, terrible thing in the dance, guys. We don't come to play our crowd and no sound class, sound Trooper, serious sound. Yeah, man, I play sound, but...
Jack! Jack, no run, Jack! Jack! Bring down! John Holt!
Sound boy, you're bound to lose.
Listen, John! That's all it tells you, hey!
If you test Sound Trooper, you're
we are past John Holt. I love it, you know. Come back round the sound.
Alright.
Hey!
You can't last too long with the ducks that
no, man, I'll be a set, man.
You can't last too long. The way you select and reselect it.
Hey!
That's why I say.
Me love it, you know.
Sound boy, you're bound to lose. Divi sound boy.
Just listen up, you know. Listen, yeah, listen up, you know.
You're bound to
hey, John, one, give me the bass line out. Hey! Jack, don't run, Jack, don't run.
Hey, you coulda run as fast as you can. Sound Trooper gonna find you.
Hey, wait! No, pull up here, hey!
You coulda hide in your rat hole some more.
Hey!
Yeah, we gonna find you.
Jack!
Listen to Hyman Sound.
Listen, hey!
Sound boy come to Sound Trooper school and let him teach you the sound rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself.
Are you good?
Cause tonight we gonna put
what
you
we said it?
Sound Trooper send you a very out camp.
Come, Jack, come man. You can't go with man. How much song me got now? 3 note? Me have 4 more. Come man. Come we have fun. Come we have fun.
Me not have no more fun. Me got the biggest part for you night. Me done with that.
Jack! Hey, Jack, man. Stop now, man. Stop run now, man. Biggest one forward the wind dance. One forward the wind dance. Jack! Sure, say the man is the man. Jack. No, sir. Jack.
My people, thank you so much for this much more wonderful meeting. I don't know more. But you're with me now, no? Me old man, go want some money for that kind of exhibition here. Me not show business in my career. Hey, one more? No, me no want, hey, me get up. Me not play it no more. No, listen. What you say, one more? One more? No, me not, hey, I'm gonna yo. What on there, one more?
Well, I haven't laughed about the local sound, you know. You say I don't play it, and a special act. Right now, we have some song, 10 and 15 grand, I'm going to pay for this. Mr. Scorpio can bribe me down for 5 grand, and I just take it through enough, don't play it and enough, special make him and them sound is a A1 high-class sound, enough girl, and oh, chop in I'm all that talk about Scorpio, man. Oh, everybody say Scorpio, everybody say Scorpio, and you start the show. Everybody says they bury them, Scorpio, bury them in your own way. Me say they bury them, Scorpio, bury them in your own way. Hey! This is the price sound boy that to play. If a black Scorpio you want to play, everybody come and bury them, Scorpio, bury them in your own way.
Thank you, the people. The next time there you play, we'll have to get some serious catch with it. And not, no, I'm not playing anymore. I'm doing a bury now. I just play the biggest I'm burying now.
I'm burying a body, man. I want to you. All night you struggle. Yeah. You want to go home? I go on home, go on. Big youth. Say it on big youth.
What we need is a great big mountain park.
Say it on big youth.
Big enough to take the world.
Them say clash done people. The dance you kill him enough.
Can count them for 100 years or more.
Jack, go on. Send him out. Send him out, big youth.
By the score. Sight. Dynamite. Jackson Road, Sam boy. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. So Ricky Chupa sound of the champion sound. What that is a sound that have to rule the town, hit the road.
Pull up! You have to play one. If you don't play one, go your bow. Look, I still don't play one, go your bow. Give the people an entertainment, man, and that's why we need a foundation. Now the little boy them can't do this. No. Wait, sit down, my father, down.
Chupa, let me tell you something. Anything what me I do it just for the people them. With the respect of the audience and the decent people what is here, I want to play a song. I'm going to play my last little song. And I'm going to tell you that this one is for you. And for the people who is here, we thank you for coming out and supporting this great moment. You know, if you know, the people them know him, you will not know him.
Black Scorpio, the only sound that kill all other sounds. Throw them down flat to the ground. No recovery, no standing up, no leading up. Flat, we kill all other sounds. The number one sound, Scorpio sound. Lord of mercy. On the silent step, Scorpio will throw you down. In a mystic mommy will kill you too. He'll make you run until you wanna cry. Make you wanna die. Be careful, be careful. Scorpio gonna throw you down like a thief in the night. Stealing, stealing, stealing. Scorpio, stealing, stealing, stealing. Even throw you down flat to the ground. You and your team pants.
Chupa. Wait, look, you know. You love Mikey? You love Mike, come on. Wait, come on. Hold on, come on. Chupa. You know what saved you tonight? Chupa now get me.
Yo, how much song have you play already, yeah, check? I have to play 7, you know. People, tell us something, jump. I sang the regular song, man. I could have played every song, play that jump. Jump. From night, I play the song for song something, you know. Say, I be a heavyweight something I play. And let me play my song. No, let me play my song, don't move. See, one time, see, Diana Ross was performing. And Michael Jackson was in the crowd. As she call up Michael Jackson tell the microphone. Say and start sing. And she couldn't get it back from him, you know. Jack, it's a me tool, microphone and me tool. He give me everything I have in a life. Saying, you not play no song, man. Your song them weak, man. This a Brian and Tony Goal and Born to Kill in a combination.
You know, it's some shoot for the super. I down sharp shooter. It's Waller and Brian and Tony Khan became
it's a cut song, man.
I down, cross, man, furious. I down. Tell them some boy when I come for trouble. Boy get gunshot and struggle. I trouble. New York, London, Canada, worldwide. So, yeah. Boy, see gunshot and backslide.